So in this video, what we're going to do is learn how to multiply decimal numbers. Now the process is exactly the same as when we multiply whole numbers. All we need to do is worry about the decimal point. But right up until the last step, we do exactly the same way. So 2.3 times 4.1. 2.3 times 4.1. Just like with whole numbers, 2 times 4 gives us 8. 3 times 4 gives us 12. 2 times 1 gives us 2. And 3 times 1 gives us 3. So we add up all the columns, we get 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 1 is 9. And then that's a 0. Now I said we need to worry about the decimal point. We are now going to do that. See a decimal point here. We can see a decimal point here. We're going to follow these down the lines of the boxes we've drawn until they meet. So they have met at this point here, and then we continue down the diagonal, which tells us that that decimal point should go here. So 2.3 times 4.1 gives us 9.43. I don't need to write the 0 because we wouldn't need to do that. So 2.3 times 4.1 gives us 9.43. Let's do another one. 2.75 times 1.43. So 2 times 1. 7 times 1 is 7. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 4 is 8. 7 times 4 is 28. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 3, 6. 7 times 3 is 21. 5 times 3 is 15. So first one's going to be 5. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 0 is just 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 8 is 16, plus 2 is 18, plus 5 is 23. So 3 goes there, and we carry the 2. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 2 is 19. 0 plus 2 is 2, plus 0 is 2, plus 1 is 3, and then that's a 0. Now, we need to worry about the decimal point again. Here it is here, and that's in there. So they are going to meet at this point here in the box. And then we follow the diagonal, which tells us that the decimal point should go here. So 2.75 times 1.43 is 3.9325. So other than this last step, with the decimal point, it's just like multiplication with whole numbers. Last question, 7.89 times 4.5 . Before we even do this, let's worry about where the decimal point is. It should end up, they meet here. Carry it down the diagonal. Decimal point is going to end up here. Now let's fill in all the boxes. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. 7 times 5. 35. 8 times 5 is 40, and 9 times 5 is 45. So 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. So we put a 0 there, and we carry the 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Plus 3 is 14. Plus the 1 is 15. So we carry the 1. 3 plus 8 is 11. Plus 3 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. So 7.89 times 4.5 is 35.505. And that is how you multiply decimal numbers.